So question 9, part 1, we want to show that 5 plus 4 tan squared x over 3 is the same as 4 sec squared x over 3 plus 1. So let's start with the left-hand side of that. Now we know that tan squared a plus 1 is the same as sec squared a. So the left-hand side is going to be 5 plus 4, and from here it follows that tan squared a is sec squared a minus 1, so it will be sec squared x over 3 take away 1, which is 5 plus 4 sec squared x over 3 take away 4, and tidying that gives me 4 sec squared x over 3 plus 1, which is the same as the right hand side. So we're now given that if we differentiate tan x over 3, we get 1/3 sec squared x over 3. So we want to integrate sec squared x over 3. So if we integrate sec squared x on 3, that's the same as integrating 3 times 1/3 of sec squared x over 3. And from there we can just do this. So that must be tan x over 3, or at least this part is. Don't forget we've got to multiply that by 3. And then that will be plus a constant. Okay, so part 3. The diagram shows part of the curve of y equals 5 plus 4 tan squared x over 3. Using previous results, we want to find the exact area, so that's not a calculator answer, of the shaded region enclosed by the curve, the x-axis, and the lines x equals pi by 2 and x equals pi, as shown on the diagram here. Okay, so the area is going to be the integral of 5 plus 4 tan squared x over 3, and that needs to be evaluated from pi by 2 up to pi. Okay, so we'll get 5x from the 5. Now no, let's not do that. We had a result, didn't we, back here, that is equal to that. So 4 sec squared x over 3 add 1. Okay, that's a better way to do it. And don't forget the limits, pi by 2 to pi. So now let's look at the result we had just here. The integral of sec squared is going to be this. And we've got 4 sec squared x over 3's there, so that's going to be 12 tan x over 3. Add x for integrating the 1 from pi by 2 to pi. So that's going to give me 12 tan pi by 3 add pi, take away 12 tan pi by 6 add pi by 2. Well, tan of pi by 3 is root 3, so that's 12 root 3 plus pi. Tan pi by 6 is 1 over root 3, or root 3 on 3, so we've got 12 root 3 on 3, and we've also got to take away the pi by 2. So that's 12 root 3 plus pi. Take away 4 root 3, take away pi by 2, which gives us 8 root 3 plus pi by 2 square units.